Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm doing my unboxing right here of my EVOD vape. It's I bought it on eBay for what is that? $31.87 total. I actually like their packaging so far. So see, there's the vape. It actually comes with two of them, so that's pretty much it in the box, I think, right? Yeah, that's it. So there's the initial view. Pretty nice packaging. That's everything it comes with right there. See if we can focus on that. Alright, let's go ahead and take it out. It's a little difficult to do with just one hand, so give me a second. There we go. So, this is the top part of the box. And let's see what we got right here. We got instruction manual, I think, a user manual. So just probably the instructions, the output, different colors they got. So, and this is like okay, it says certificate of inspection. Let's focus on that. Alright, and now we got the two vape pens. They look pretty nice, actually. So, go ahead and take one out. I actually like the silver one a little bit more. It's like stainless steel or something. Look pretty nice. It actually has a, I think it's a glass mouthpiece. I'm not sure. It might be clear plastic, but seems like a glass. So it looks pretty nice. We'll see how they perform later on. Take this out. Take that out. See what's in here. Coil unit and the USB charger. So let's go ahead and check out the coil unit. Let's grab this real quick. Let's see what comes in this box. So I'm guessing these right here are the coils. Just focusing on that. Doesn't really want to focus. So it comes with two spare coils, one for each, and it also comes with your charger. It has a long cord actually like that. So let's see what else is in here. It says EVOD USB charger. Let's open it up. Basic charger. There we go. Well, that's pretty much it for now. That's everything it comes with. I'll see if I make another video of how well it performs. But I'm actually pretty happy with these guys. EVOD on eBay. So I'm gonna check them out. That's their eBay name. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how good they are.